In this quick video guide, I want to show you where you can get the information about your Android smartphone. So where you can see actually your model, the code of your model, and also I will show you how you can change language. So in this case, I'm using already English language, but perhaps you want to use another language, or maybe you want to go back to English language. Now I will show you where everything is. Basically, we need to go down here where we see this little engine icon. We click here and this is the settings. So what we need to go is to go down at the bottom. So let's scroll the page with our finger and let's find system. Now this is where all the information can be seen. So if I click into the system, now this is my smartphone here, the exact model. So also I can click here and see other information about my phone. And also if I go down here, well, I can change also date and time, and I have other stuff here which is a little bit more complex, like developer options, and also I can create a backup, but we're gonna make other videos about this other topic later on. Now another thing you can do from here is to get your updated system, so you can check if everything is up to date, or you can download updates from for your smartphone. And also we have regulatory labels, so you can see other information like, I don't know, like the phone model and other stuff as well, I guess, where everything has been assembled or built or whatever. So I'm not an expert in this. And well, to change the language, there it is. It's called language and input. So I can click here. Sorry, this is date and time, language and input. There you go. So right here, you can see you can use different languages together. In my case, this is the part where you want to click, you want to tap. All right. So in my case, I've chosen English and Italian, but you can also add other languages. If you go here and say add language, okay, you can search for, use the search bar at the top if you want to search for one particular language. For example, let's type Espanol, so that this is the link here. You can select it and add it to your languages, but I will not show you this. It's pretty simple. You just will see then another language here in your list. Now the first one is the system language. So if I take this Italian here and bring it on the top and substitute this one, it's gonna change everything. It's not gonna be English anymore, it's gonna be in Italian. So this is just the operation that you need to do if you want to switch language. Now if you click on these three dots as well, you can remove one of the language that you have added. So click here, you will then be prompt to select one language that you want to remove, and then you will click on a garbage bin to delete it. And that's it. So this is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Now if you want to see some other videos, please check our YouTube channel, which is called JBDTube, and you will find a lot of video guides about smartphone, about software, about apps, smartphone apps, and a lot of other stuff. If you check in the videos here, you will find all the videos that we publish, English and Italian. So look for the English version of the video. Playlists, right here on the top, you will find some English video courses, and also at the bottom you will find the video guides. There you go, English video guides. Also, please support us with the community page and with the store, and by sending us your comments like suggestions or questions, and please of course subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.